am here to give a description on the topic biodiversity. The word biodiversity is a combination of two words, biological and diversity. It refers to the variety of life on Earth and encompasses all the living things that exist in a certain area in the air, on land, or in water, that is, plants, animals, microorganisms, fungi, etc. The area considered may be as small as your backyard compost heap or as big as our whole planet. Animals and plants don't exist in isolation. All living things are connected to other living things and to their non living environment like earth forms, rocks, and rivers. If one tiny species in an ecosystem becomes extinct, we may not notice or think it's important. But the biodiversity of that ecosystem will be altered, and all the ecosystems that the species belong to will be affected. Now, let's talk about the biodiversity in Kerala. The Kerala State Biodiversity Board is one of the 28 state biodiversity boards set up by National Biodiversity Authority in India. Most of the Kerala, whose native habitat consists of wet evergreen rainforests at lower elevations and highland deciduous and semi-evergreen forests in east, is subject to a humid tropical climate.
Hi, my name is Neha Thomas. I am here to give a description on the topic how do we conserve biodiversity. Biodiversity conservation refers to the protection, preservation and management of ecosystems and natural habitat, and it also ensures that they are healthy and functional. The main objectives of biodiversity conservation are to protect and preserve species diversity, to ensure sustainable management of species and ecosystem, prevention and restoration of ecological process and life support systems. There are two methods for conserving biodiversity, ex situ and in situ conservation. In situ conservation refers to preservation and the protection of species in their natural habitat. The natural habitats include national park and sanctuaries, biosphere reserves, biodiversity hotspot, gene sanctuary and sacred groves. It preserves and ensures protection of larger number of populations. It doesn't require species to adjust to a new habitat, and it is cost effective and convenient method of conservation. The second method is ex situ conservation. It means conservation of life outside their natural habitat. The advantages are it gives longer lifetime and breeding activity to animals. Genetic techniques can be utilized in this process. Captivity breed species can again be reintroduced in the wild.
Hi everyone, my name is Soni Teresa Shaji. I am here to give a description on the topic biodiversity conservation. Biodiversity refers to various life forms, that is plant, animal and microorganisms. Why should we conserve biodiversity? It is important. It provides services and resources essential for Earth. Himachal Pradesh is bestowed by distinctive floral and faunal biodiversity having cultural and commercial values. It is a mountainous state and having vast respiratory of flora and fauna. The state, which is rich in biodiversity, it supports 13 wildlife sanctuaries, 2 national parks and 3 conservation reservoirs. Faunal biodiversity includes 77 mammals, 47 birds, 44 amphibians, etc. Biodiversity strategy and action plan formulation for conservation of biodiversity of state and sub-state site. A large variety of carnivores which are either rare or of intermediate status. Hours of 47,000 plant species found in a country as many as 3,295 species found in Himachal Pradesh. The western tragopon, which is a rare species only found in Himachal Pradesh. The fauna of Himachal Pradesh is very diverse and unique. Common leopard and snow leopard also found in those areas. Fauna shows richness of bioresources of state considering its small geographical area. The biodiversity, which is a crucial for well-being of life on earth, there is urgent need for conservation. We must create economic policies in order to maintain the earth biodiversity and protect it for the sake of future generation.
My name is Aishwarya and I am a class 12 student of St. Philomena's Public School. This is a video of biology project based on the comparison between the biodiversity of Kerala and Himachal Pradesh.
This is a project based on the biodiversity of Kerala and Himachal Pradesh. Kerala, the mystic land lying between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. 3/4 of the land area of Kerala was under thick forest up to the 18th century. As of 2004, over 25% of India's plant species are in Kerala. Kerala's flora is rich and diverse. More than 1,000 species of trees, 4,000 species of flowering plants, 900 species of medicinal plants can be found in Kerala. Kerala's fauna is also rich and diverse with more than 100 species of mammals, 476 species of birds, 202 species of freshwater fishes, 169 species of reptiles and 89 species of amphibians. Nelliyampati Forest Range, deers at Muthanga Wildlife Sanctuary, tiger at Periyar Tiger Reserves, crocodile at Neyyar, Neelakurinni flowers, tea gardens and Nilgiri Thar in Munnar, grasslands at Chemba Park, Wayanad, and especially coconut trees, wild coffee and rubber plantations are facets of Kerala. Himachal Pradesh is the largest state in the Indian Himalayan region with diverse biodiversity and climate varying from tropic, that is Shivalik region, to semi-Arctic condition. The state covers an area of 55,673 km square in the northwestern Himalaya with beautiful landscapes, lush green forests, bubbling streams, emerald meadows, enchanting lakes, etc. 66.52% of Himachal Pradesh is under forest. It supports 30 wildlife sanctuaries, 2 national parks, and 3 conservation reserves. The state is represented by tropical, temperate, subalpine, and alpine vegetation. Himachal Pradesh is bestowed with distinctive floral and faunal biodiversity having aesthetic, cultural, commercial, and genetic values. Flowers like pin rhododendron, which are rare, are found here. It is a state flower of the hill state. Also, wild plumera, butterfly bush, etc. are also found here. Trees like kil, oaks, deodar, kale, fir, and spruce, and animals like snow leopard, Himalayan yak, Himalayan black bears, monals are also seen.
The estimated population is 74,51,955.